Hey everybody. Yesterday we did a complete install, including electrical, of the Lectron V-BOX Pro with Wi-Fi. It's a level 2 EV charger. Just to recap, this is what we end up with here. We got the charger. We got the, it's a 1450 NEMA plug, as you can see in there. A waterproof box, which is a little overdone, but that's what I did. And it comes with this really nifty setup here. So when you plug it in, it's a real solid connection. Now, we only have 20 amps to play with in the garage. And this is the circuit that we've put it on right here. It's a 220 circuit, and that is going to feed that over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of zoom in on this, and I'm going to throw the breaker because this is the first time it's powered on. I want to see what happens. And then we see we got some power. We saw some power hit it. I don't know how long it takes to boot up. But I'm seeing, I don't know, I saw a little blue come on there. We'll take that off. Now I don't know if this is a power button here or not. And it is. That's the power button. So apparently you can actually shut this off and on. It's still going through its boot up sequence. There's probably a barcode over here to actually install the app. And at this point, this is probably just beaconing out some Wi-Fi. So wait for the phone to connect to it with Wi-Fi. So I know my son is going to program this up, but for right now, that is our first power on before we actually use it, or they use it. And I think it's just sitting there ready. And that is a power on and off button on the side. And apparently it's on because I've pushed it in. So you want to see? That's some of the writing on the side. MAC address Wi-Fi. There's another barcode down here for setup purposes. So I'm going to leave this as it is. He'll program it up and test it out. Thanks for watching. And again, all we had available out here was a 20 amp circuit. So when he does program this up, oh, it's finished booting because it's not. When he does program this up, he'll be setting it to 16 amps, and that's going to be a 16 amp draw. Thanks, and you'll have a pleasant day.